Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It takes somewhere between 5 seconds and 6 months or more depending on the severity of the damage to the infrastructure. Many outages are self-clearing, such as when a small animal shorts out a high-voltage feed, is blown clear and the circuit breaker automatically resets, all within a few seconds.
Make your mark, take our lead.
However, if you plan to take a shower, do it soon after the power goes out. While tank-style water heaters have a large reserve of hot water, the water only stays warm for 1 to 2 hours. So if you lost power recently, you should probably be able to enjoy a comfortable, warm shower. 16 May 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
However, most electric utility companies do not offer their customers reimbursement for food spoilage caused by long-term power outages. Insurance companies will usually cover up to $500 of food that spoils from a power outage caused by a covered peril under standard homeowners insurance policies. 27 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.